Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. It's time again for another edition of 1,000 Below. So this is a collaboration of some amazing artists who are trying to get our YouTube channels up above 1,000 subscribers. So today's collaboration is based around blooms, and it was very loose of any type of bloom we wanted. So I'm going to be doing a bloom swipe. I am using the recipe that Tara Lombardi used to use. She's changed up her recipe since then, but I had a bunch of stuff already mixed up, so that's what I'm going for. And I'll put a link below to one of her mixing videos that will lay out all of the products that I'm using. Okay, so let's get down to the canvas and smear some paint.
I didn't record my voice while I was doing this work, so I just wanted to do a quick little voiceover here for a couple of spots to tell you what we're working with. My base coat here is PPG paint, which I'll link below, and I just chose a nice black color from the display. And my colors that I'm using on top here are Seashell from Rust-Oleum. That pinkish color is Athena from this little piggy. And then what I just drizzled over the top is Ballet Slipper, also by this little piggy. And that's a gorgeous interference gold color. And this whole video is exploring bloom swipes with the idea of my personal aesthetic and style, which is much more minimalistic, and so not using a ton of different colors and also making sure that I have a good amount of negative space. That's what I really enjoy in a painting, so I hope you enjoy this as well. This is the only painting that you'll see me use Athena in, but I really loved the way this turned out, so I will be doing more of this in the future, I think, for sure. Thank you again so much for joining me today, and I look forward to sharing more with you in the future. Make sure you stick around. I have dry results at the end.
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Want to be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the power slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again. I wake up a wild one takes me there. Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden. I'll I'll follow only golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings.
I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the dry results. Here we go. This is still a little wet, but you can start to see the really cool effects that you get from the ballet slipper, which is an interference gold color. And then I'm really digging this dark background. And this one's a little drier, so you can see those interference colors a little bit better. And again, that's the ballet slipper, which is a gorgeous interference gold from this little piggy. Ooh, look at those, love that. And then last but not least, I am digging this very light kind of pinky color, and that's the TLP Athena. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Okay, well, thank you for joining me, and thank you for joining our little collaboration today. Have a wonderful day.